Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to create an AliExpress account. First, open your web browser. Here, search for AliExpress. Click to open the aliexpress.com. Once you're in, click on the profile icon on your top right. Click on Register to start making your account. Here you need to add your location by selecting the country from the drop-down list. After that, add your email address. Also, set a strong password. Or you can also continue with Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Apple accounts. Once you're done, click on Create Account. Also, you need to slide this bar to verify. Click and drag the slide to your right. After that, you'll receive a 4-digit code on your Gmail account. Enter that code to verify your email address. Click on Verify Email to continue. That's it. Your account is all set to be used. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.